Well, here we are once again, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to take up the work, year-end page 4. Right, so here we have question 1, an equivalent expression to the exponent 5 is C. Right, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It does not mean 2 times 5. It does not mean 5 times 5. All right, question number 2. We have those fractions. We write them in order. Our answer is D. Question number 3. Which of the following expressions is not equivalent to negative 12? And that answer is B. Okay, negative 6, when subtracting a negative number, we are actually adding the opposite, remember? So negative 6 plus 6 equals 0. Number 4 at the top here, Jen proves to Phil that 16 is a perfect square, right? There is the diagram. Which of the following would not be a perfect square? 99. All the others are, right? 7 times 7, 9 times 9, 12 times 12. Question 4, your expression is going to be 3n plus 1. All right, so let's go take a look at the other answers. Question number 6 and 7. Question 6, which value of C will make the following equation true? It is number or letter A. 2 times 6 plus 4, so 12 plus 4 is 16. 6 plus 10, 16. The left side equals the right side. And question 7, which expression would match the statement 4 less than 3 times number? We have B, right? 3 times number minus 4. Okay? Open response questions. So we have Miranda. She is going to, let's go to question number 9 here. Okay? So we have a movie theater, has 12 seats in the first row, 15 seats in the second row, 18 seats in the third row, and so on. Okay? So your answer is going to be 39 seats in the 10th row. Right, row 1, I have 12, row 2, 15, and that's all I did. Okay, and probably, other ways to solve this, but this was the easiest one for me. In the 99th seats, to answer this question, what I actually did was go down to C, and I found the expression to determine that. So I found that the expression would be 3n plus 9. Okay, so if I have 99 seats, I'm going to place I'm going to find the number of rows, okay, and then add the 9 to get 99, okay? Question 10. I'm just using area of a circle to answer this question. So in this case, I want to find the area of a large circle and a small circle. So in the small circle, I have pi r squared, right? 3.14 times 10 times 10, which is 10 squared. I get this answer here, 314. That's my area of a small circle. Do the same thing, and I get this larger circle, and I get 1256. Okay, so the area of a large circle is 1256. Area of a small circle is 314. If I divide that small circle into the large circle, right? And if you see, I get that here. Then I get my answer of 4. So I actually have 4 small circles, or 4 small pizzas in my larger pizza. And if I multiply the price of a small pizza, which is $8.99, times 4, I get $35.96, which is more expensive than if I get a larger pizza, which is $20.89. Okay? So in this case, the large pizza is the better deal. Question 11, I have my points. That's what my graph kind of looks like. Okay? Remember, I am indicating I have different triangles by using that little prime number, right? By using A prime, B prime, oops, what the dealio happened there, and C prime. Okay, Just click off there, I guess. I don't know what's going on. Weird. It has a mind of its own all of a sudden. It's tired. It's been a long time. All right, so there we go. Okay, so remember A prime, B prime, that little slash above the A and the B. Okay, if I have one of them, it's one triangle. If I have two of them, right, three of them, it'd be three changes. And then I have question 12 here, right, looking at Mr. Andrews' math class. There's last year's data in a histogram. Okay, I have this year's histogram identified here. Okay, and this year's class this year's class actually did better than last year's. Because if I look at the 70 and above range, I have more students who are achieving at 70%. I have 14 last year, and I have 21 students this year who are achieving 70% and better. Okay? And then I have my final answers, which are 13 is 1,000 milliliters, 14 is 28 meters, right? Because I'm looking there. I'm going to put that's the circumference of pi times diameter, right? 9 times 3.14 to get 28. And then 15, I have a trapezoid. And let's go up here and do 17 quickly. 17 is my answer. What type of graph would most be appropriate? A circle graph. Okay. 18, my answer is 191. I'm finding the mean there. Okay, remember, you add up all those scores, divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all those scores divided by 5. And answer for 16 is going to be square and a rhombus. Okay, and that is all. We are done.